thought you misplaced my number or you threw it away. Oh. That's sudden. I hope it's not very serious or life-threatening. I'm truly sorry to hear that. Well, if it was meant to be, it will. I wish you all the best for the future. And who knows, the stars align again when we cross each other's path. It was nice meeting you too. Bye.
Minister.
Jason Newell. It's been a long time, man.
It has been a minute.
How you been?
Not too bad, man. You look at the dejected man. You're thinking about how to pay the 100 million to those funeral people.
Jason, you're a comedian or a mortician? I thought you were in the development business. That's something that we're dealing with on the side. But I don't want to talk about that. How you been? It's been before I've seen you.
Too funny, but I'm well enough. I'm very well actually.
Apparently. My government making it very prosperous. It's good to see you though, man.
Indeed.
Have a seat. So what's been going on, man? Any new projects? Anything I can help you with?
Yeah, but I mean, you should know. Your brother is about to start a new project now.
Mention them. I don't know nothing about it, and I don't know what he has been up to.